Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're out on our property today. We're actually where we do our maple syrup, where we collect our maple syrup. And something's going on out here. My daughter and son, we have 55 acres out here, and my daughter and son-in-law are building a house on 5 of it. How cool is that? So let me show you what we're looking at. Here's going to be their driveway. The road's out there by that big fallen tree right there, way down there at the end. It goes down the hill and then there's the road. But all these logs out here, let's show you some of these. Popple, a couple maples, a white oak, another maple, another white oak down there, and a beautiful white oak right here. Now, we got the Mahindra, we got a couple of chainsaws, the Steel 362 and the Steel 441, and we have the Cat 320 out here as well. We won't be using, I don't operate the Cat, that's my son-in-law, and my dad's deer blind. This is actually where the house is gonna go, right where the deer blind is. Sorry, Dad. We'll end up putting that probably towards the back of the property somewhere else. You'll still have a place to hunt. All right, so my plan is to buck these up into 10, well, the white oak will probably be 17 foot. And yeah, probably 16, 17, and 10 foot with additions of 6 inches on each log. The mosquitoes are out here a little bit today, and it's supposed to get in the mid to upper 90s. Afternoon starting to creep in, so I got a late start. It's about 10 a.m. I don't think we have too much time here. So my plan is get all this bucked up and then we'll go from there. I get these all bucked up and then we'll stack them up, maybe back in the corner somewhere. Let's see how long this log is, what we can get out of it. I should have brought a couple of wedges out. Okay, time to get these logs out of here. We have a 17-foot white oak, 17-foot popple, 12-foot 6-inch maple, 17-foot maple, 17-foot poplar, two 17-foot white oaks. See, this white oak has a little bit of rot in it, but we did well. So, catch my breath here for a minute. This canopy is thick. Now, this chunk of land right next to me, this was logged in '93. A lot of popples, what we call popple. In reality, it's aspen. Maple and aspen, and maple and popple all popped up, came up, and it's ready to probably log that piece again. But right here we have family. We have 55 acres, so it's a good chunk. It's not where our house is. We're about a half mile from where our house is right now. Wow, it's almost August already, guys. Summer's flying by. But we're gonna get this tractor home, go home, get some lunch, and we're gonna keep knocking down trees, probably more tonight. We're gonna start knocking down trees, I believe, where the house is gonna go and the pole barn is gonna go. There's gonna be a lot of them. This time I'll buck him as he knocks them down, so it's a little easier for him to handle. I didn't have my saw with us last night when he showed up with the excavator, so all right, guys, I'm just rambling. Take care. We'll see you at the mill next time, or the log yard, or out in property. If you like these kind of videos, smash that thumbs up, give us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. You know, and if you really feel motivated, hit that super thanks up. Oh, what a beautiful day. You know, we've been getting a lot of rain in West Michigan. Didn't have much at all or beginning of the summer. May and June, it didn't rain at all. Didn't rain at all in May or June. Not one drop of rain. And we've been getting it now. And when we get it, it's 2-3 inches at a time. Yesterday we got another 2-3 inches. So everything's wet. Mosquitoes are loving it.